As you approach the door to the lab, there will be a desk outside for food and bottled drinks. Upon entering the lab, directly to your left or right will be a cubbyhole where backpacks will need to be stored. There is also room for coats and whatnot. There is also additional space for backpacks. There are several emergency plans right next to the door as well. Right next to the door is the chemical shower. Pull it if you are on fire or spilled chemicals on your entire body. Along the wall is a fire extinguisher, sets of gloves. To the right of the chalkboard, there is a chemical burn treatment kit, which will be used to neutralize acid or base on your skin or in your eyes, as well as a chemical spill treatment kit, first aid, and a fire blanket. Use this to put out a fire on the lab bench or another person. There is a chemical spill treatment kit for if solvents, bases, or acids have been spilt on the ground in large quantities. Inside, you will find special powders to neutralize acid spills, caustic or basic spills, as well as solvent spills, which could evaporate and be harmful. There will be pH strips, industrial goggles and gloves, bags, and spatulas and dustpans for scraping up messes. If you or someone near you gets hazardous material into their eyes, take them to the Iowa station and pull the unit towards you. You need to hold your eyes open under it for 10 to 15 minutes. When at a fume hood, be sure to first turn it on so the light and ventilation are on as well. On either side of the fume hood there will be this line which indicates that the fume hood glass should not go above this point when performing experiments. There are also several knobs on the side which indicate vacuum, gas, and cold water, which correspond to that fume hood. When starting to work on the fume hood, there will be a red piece of tape. Pull the door down and make sure the air is circulating inside. Make sure to thoroughly wash your hands before leaving the lab. Remember that you are responsible for your safety as well as the safety of others. If you are unsure about the proper use of certain lab equipment or safety equipment, ask your lab instructor.